Over the weekend, it emerged that Adam Cole's contract with the WWE had actually expired after the NXT Great American Bash on July the 6th. As per reports, the former NXT champion agreed to a short-term deal that would see him work through SummerSlam, allowing him to finish his blood feud with former stablemate Kyle O'Reilly. The initial sources stated that Cole would be waiting until later on this month after NXT TakeOver 36 on 22nd of August to decide on his future, and WWE is seemingly very accepting of this. While a report emerged that Adam Cole had rejected multiple WWE offers this week, this is because he had not been offered long-term contracts. Sources claim that Cole had not been offered a long-term deal by WWE. However, the report does explain that one is likely to come in the coming weeks. Also, it is important to note that there is no bad blood between Adam Cole and the NXT higher-ups. It will be interesting to see where Adam Cole ends up if he does leave the WWE. The fact that Adam Cole's WWE contract is reportedly set to expire this month has apparently taken some within the company by surprise. Some claim that it is just a matter of mismanagement. WWE officials were under the impression that Cole was under contract through at least January 2022, and they are now frustrated that this information is now out in the open. It was reported Monday that Cole's contract actually expired last month, only for him to sign a short-term extension that will expire in August. Cole reportedly signed the extension in order to finish his storyline with Kyle O'Reilly, as they have both beaten each other once and are looking for a final showdown for the fans. After O'Reilly attacked Adam Cole on NXT last week, it seems likely they will face off again at NXT TakeOver on the weekend of SummerSlam. What would be great is to see if this match has a loser leaves NXT stipulation and would see to push Kyle O'Reilly. Cole has been the face of NXT since signing with the WWE in 2017, as he held the NXT Championship for a record number of 396 days and led the highly successful Undisputed Era stable. There is no question that Cole would be a huge loss for the WWE, and with CM Punk and Daniel Bryan both rumored to be signing with AEW, it could increase WWE's sense of urgency to keep Adam Cole in the fold. That was all for today. For more wrestling news from your favorite wrestling TV shows, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.